Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Chinese people like to eat dumplings because we think it's a perfect combination of staple food, vegetables, meat, and soup. This perfect combination is also a symbol of reunion, peace, auspicious, and as they look like gold ingots, they are thought to bring prosperity as well. Pakistani people like to eat biryani, and it's also a very wonderful combination, including super aromatic basmati rice, very tender slow-cooked meat, the robust flavor of variety of spices, which appeal to all your senses, smell, taste, and sight. I think my words cannot explain the awesomeness, and some biryani fans maybe already start mouth-watering. Okay, today I'm going to share you how to cook delicious and tasty biryani. Maybe you can say it's a Sino Wu style. Come and check it out with my video. Today I have three friends with me. One is Mahar.
Hello.
One is Parvez.
Hello.
And we have one special eater who is behind the camera. Come to say hello.
No. I have to cook. I am a little too hungry for biryani.
Okay, he's hungry for eat biryani.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Today we are going to cook beef biryani. That's why we prepare 1 kg of beef. And this one is basmati rice. This is onion, coriander leaf, yogurt, tomato, mint leaves, lemon, milk with saffron flour, and this one is green onion. This is chili, this is biryani masala and garam masala, cooking oil, carrot, cucumber, potato, and this is salt, ginger garlic paste. Actually, the biryani masala and garam masala already mixed with many spices, which will make our work more easier. Firstly, Mahar will deal with the rice. For washing rice, we should not wash too much time, otherwise the nutrients will be lost, also the flavor will be reduced. For getting a very nice basmati rice, we have to soak it at least 1 hour. Let's add in water and wait 1 hour. Now we will deal with the meat. We will pre-boil it, which will help to remove the dirt and blood, also the fishy odor. Here I have a small tip to share you. We have to put in the meat when the water is cold, then we can ensure the tenderness of the meat. Pre-boil 2 or 3 minutes is okay. The foam is the dirt and blood. Let's remove and drain the water. Now we have to wash it again. Now let's marinate the beef. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some salt, biryani masala, yogurt,
Yes.
mint leaves, coriander leaves. Now let's mix it. After mix well, let's squeeze some lemon and mix again. The meat gets a lot of flavor from the marinade. I will advise you to marinate at least 1 hour. Then we will start the next step. Okay, it's already 1 hour. Let's start to cook. Because beef will take a long time to cook, that's why today I use pressure cooker. Now let's cook onion oil. Put in the oil. We will fry the green onion first, and we will remove it. When the onion is getting brown, we will remove it. Now let's put the red onion. Also fry it till brown. Let's turn our fire and take out the brown onions. Add in ginger garlic paste. add in tomato. We have to press the tomato and cook it till it's like cream. Now let's add in the beef. Mix well. Now let's add in some water and cover the lid and boil half hour. Now the beef is in cooker and Paris will cook the rice. They also have another tip to cook the rice. That is, we have to put in the rice when the water is cold. Add some salt. Add in garam masala. Add some oil. Because later we have to mix the rice and the meat and cook again. So the rice only half cooked is okay. And later we will drain it. Now the meat is ready. Mahar, open the lid. Turn off. Let's see. The beef is ready now. So now we will add in potato and chili. We will boil it another while. Then we will start mixing. Okay, the rice and the meat all ready. We will start mixing it in the rice cooker and steam it. We should put the meat and the rice layer by layer. First I will put some meat.
First layer of
Yes, first layer is meat.
the rice.
Now rice. The rice is a lot. Can we eat so much?
Yes.
We have one eater here, right?
Yes, I'm waiting. The second layer.
Second layer. Third layer. Last layer. Then we will add the coriander leaves, mint leaves, some lemon, milk and saffron flour. Now everything is in this rice cooker. Let me press this button. Okay, Paris already pressed. Let's wait the magic happen. Now Mahar is making the raita. You mix with cucumber, carrot, and yogurt, right? What's this?
This is salad.
It's looking beautiful.
Yes.
Now the biryani is ready. Let me open the lid and let's see magic happens. Wow! Wow! Start mouth watering. Okay, let me check. Look at this. Look at this. Oh.
Wow, I am mouth watering.
Let's start enjoy. The biryani smells very nice. See, every rice is separated. See, the meat is very tender. Come and enjoy. Now the biryani is ready. Come and enjoy it. How is it?
Biryani is very delicious.
Uh-huh.
You should cook every day for us. I can also cook, but it's very delicious. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Very tasty.
You know, you eat the one is which we garnish most beautiful one.
You know, I am biryani lover. So I like to eat biryani. So the biryani is really tasty. So I wanna eat biryani 2 more plates.
Okay,
Thank you
okay.
for
We have enough for you.
Thank you for your delicious biryani, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay, okay. How is the taste?
Biryani zabardast. The taste beautiful. Very good cooking.
Okay, thank you very much. The biryani is really delicious. I really want to invite you also join us to enjoy it. Okay, hope today's video will teach you how to make delicious and tasty biryani. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.